So, you have subscribed to HubSpot, but are still juggling between different platforms and spreadsheets to store and access data? When you have a HubSpot subscription, you must leverage it to its full potential by making HubSpot the single source of truth and having all your contacts and data in HubSpot. This will help you make the most of HubSpot reporting and analytics. Let's see how you can do it. Importing data is a straightforward affair. But here's a catch. Data you're importing should be in sync with the HubSpot database that you've set up. To start with, you will have to determine the data fields and records like company information or contact details you want to import to HubSpot. Then you need to clean up duplicate records, invalid or incomplete data to ensure data accuracy. Then format your data correctly. Map your data fields to match with those in HubSpot. You can either do this manually or with the help of a data mapping tool. Choose the import method among the many that HubSpot supports. Have a small sample data set imported first to test the process. Now let's see it in action. Go to your import screen from Contacts or Companies.
Click on Import.
This screen gives you two options: import from a file or sync with another tool. Let's pick the first option. Once you do this, it gives you a couple of options such as these you show on screen. Pick the Import from Computer option to proceed further. The next screen gives you two options, one to import one file and another to import multiple files. When you are importing data into HubSpot for the first time, you have a lot of cleaning up to do. So, it's better to keep it simple by selecting one file. As HubSpot is arranged in objects, it wants to know the object this data is being associated with.
Let's choose one object as the option. Now let's pick what this one object is from options shown: contacts, companies, deals, or tickets. Let us select contacts from here. When we select contacts, we get the options to upload the files we want to import. Select the file from your system and click on Next.
HubSpot automatically matches the column name in your file to your contact properties. You'll be able to see a preview of the property values from your spreadsheet under Preview Information. If a column name does not match an existing property, click on the corresponding drop-down menu to pick an existing property in your HubSpot account and map the column name to it. Or you can click Create New Property to set up a new custom property in the right pane to which this column name will be mapped. Now, hit Next. Each time you import a list, it is important that you name it uniquely. You could use the date, source, or the owner's initials, for example. Now, check the box to import your contact list. You will now be asked if you have the consent to interact with this list. Say yes by checking the box. And finish the import. Your updated screen will give you a report of the number of records created and those updated. In case of any errors, it will intimate you. Congratulations! Importing your contacts into HubSpot is done. This will help you maintain consolidated customer data, achieve data accuracy, better reporting, and analytics that can further help you better your sales and marketing efforts too. We hope you found this useful. Watch this space for more such HubSpot tutorials by liking and subscribing to our channel.